Is Windows failing to load because of the Text Framework Monitor DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before the walkthrough for Text Framework Monitor, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Text Framework Monitor, the Microsoft Text Services Framework Monitor library. It manages the background synchronization of localized input methods, touch keyboards, and handwriting recognition. If corrupted, users will find themselves unable to type in the Windows search bar or the Start menu, typically resulting in a non-responsive keyboard in system apps. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the System File Checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Text Framework Monitor DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Text Framework Monitor file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Text Framework Monitor DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Text Framework Monitor. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Text Framework Monitor today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.